Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam budget-friendly crystal display stand. So what you're going to need, you're going to need some of this Rhinestone bulk embellishment packet from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some teardrop pendants and some of this icy gemstones. Both of these are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, event lighting and supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you'll need a bud vase. I've got a clear one here. You'll need one of these round candle holder plates. You'll need 2 of these round mirrors. And I'm going to be using hot glue on my project. But if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that I'll be using, but if I decide to use any additional items, I will include them in the description box below for you guys as well. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this budget-friendly and elegant tiered display stand turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. And I did go ahead and add the glitter to the bottom of one of the mirrors so that the bottom, to the top mirror, so that the bottom mirror that's reflecting it, it's not just showing the back of that mirror. That's why I added that glitter there, in case anyone was wondering. But yeah, it's super easy to make, and let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.